Okay, so the objective of this video is to show you how to avoid doing the random writing in an encrypted installation for Debian. A couple things. This is a VirtualBox installation. I am not going to be installing X or anything else like that. It's just going to be a very straightforward installation. Um, Again, I'm just focusing on getting to the point to how you can bypass the writing the random data and then moving on with the encryption and the LVM. Another point that I want to make is that I will be using the whole disk for one partition. I will not be going into the separate partitions for like home and var and whatever else. I want to just keep it very simple, very straightforward, so that we can get through this complete installation and show you some of the specs at the end so that you can see that it is done exactly what it does. I do want to apologize for the background noise. There's some pretty nasty storms here in Florida, in Central Florida, so you're going to hear some of the rain and some occasional boomers and such, but we'll try to filter out as much as we can. So here we go. We're picking the entire disk for encrypted LVM. Like I said, this is all the files in one partition. I'm not going to get involved with the other settings. You can, and it will work the same way. So again, this is just for demonstration purposes. So we're going to get to a part of the installation. Now I'm going to speed up the video a little bit so we can get past it, because the whole installation that you're going to see here takes roughly 15 minutes. Here's where we're actually doing the overwriting the random data. So if you notice, you just click on cancel down below there, and it does move you to the next phase. Now this doesn't format it. The formatting takes place right in this section here. It's actually creating and formatting the partition in the LUX encryption, so LUX format. So let's go ahead and try to bump up the video a little bit, make it go up a little faster. There, we got the confirmation of everything, and it's going to write the information now, and there's a formatting. And of course, once everything is installed, we'll show you that at that point in time. So please stand by. Processing. Hold for processing. Hold for processing. Hold for processing. And now, yes, we're only about 3 minutes away from the original length of the video, so we're definitely wrapping it up. And since this is a Debian channel, I have decided that I'm going to continue to create content based off of the forums, the Debian forums, the official forums, as I can, because if you are just trying to create a channel, a YouTube channel, based on a particular subject, you can run out of things pretty darn quick. So let's see where we're at here. Well, there we go. It's moving along. Yep, now it's rebooting. We'll go ahead and it's beautiful. There, it's asking for the encryption password. We'll enter that and we'll continue on. There's dev mapper. Good. And we'll go ahead and log in. Run a couple of commands to show some of the specs, file systems, etc. There we go. We can see that the mapper is there. It's 91 gig. 1.3 is used. Let's see what else. We'll see what's in etc fs tab. There we go. There's the deb mapper there for the root partition and the swap. And let's look at the cryptab file. And there it is right there. It's Lux, the encryption itself. And there's the stable kernel version 5.10. And let's do a lsblk. And there you go. So basically, I've shown you how you can get away with bypassing the writing of the random data for encryption. Thanks for watching the video, and we'll see you in the next one.